I've put down a couple of trends, construction sector trends, which I think are really key here for Delmia. So the first one is being able to unlock big models is really what's kicking us off in Delmia, and we're seeing all of these new simulation possibilities and 4D planning opportunities. And this has really come from, if you think back 10 years ago, it was really commonplace to see a single robotic cell being simulated, which was really fantastic at the time. But now it's much more common that you'd see an entire assembly line being simulated in robotics, or an entire production line in a factory. And then that's leading us to now starting to do entire buildings. So we're on that much bigger scale than we used to be, and where data is now just way lighter, software is way more powerful, laptops are way better, and we can just cope with bigger data and bigger models such as construction sites. And then again, as me and Patrick have already discussed, modular design is a real driver, which is fantastic because that's leading us to modular processes, which make a big difference for the site. And then with those modular processes, we can go to a much finer granularity with Delmia. So if you see a bottleneck, you don't need to go to the site and do loads of testing to optimize it. You can do that digitally before it even hits the site, to a level which could not be done as quickly or as efficiently before. And then something we've not really touched on in this session is with modular processes and modular design, you can start to probably find some products which could be moved off-site to a factory to be optimized even further. So it just arrives on site and there's minimal installation to do there. And obviously a factory brings all the benefits of that come with it, which which is great. And then lastly is that connected supply chain. So maybe where we have these offsite factories, we have multiple suppliers who are much more regular because it's a factory-based environment. We have our on-site teams, our architects, our partners. We can start to build that connected supply chain as an industry to really drive the construction sector forward, which I think we're going to start to see in the next few years.